Okay, I've always wanted to do that actually. But anyways, guys, we're going to be seeing a house today. Sorry, an apartment. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and my name is Solomon. For those of you that are new to the channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share. If you have any questions, any comments here, please drop them in the comment section down below and I'll be glad to answer those comments, guys. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are doing well. Anyways, as I've said in the intro video that I did, we're going to be seeing an apartment today. Now this apartment is a 2-bedroom apartment with 1 bedroom. Now this apartment goes for like around I'll give you like a ballpark, so around like $800 to like $1,200. So like that's the ballpark. I don't want to like tell you like the exact amount because someone is definitely still living there right now. But this apartment like has space, and the owner actually like takes care of the house like real clean, and I like that. So we're actually going to be seeing the apartment today, and without further ado, without further delay, without further wasting of time, without further hold on chit chat by me, obviously, let's actually get into the video. This apartment is actually very close to the road, and it's kind of like a busy road, but it's fine. I think if you like just shut your windows, shut your glasses, you shouldn't be able to like hear the whole like car sounds and everything. You shouldn't be able to like get disturbed by it, but like it's fine. Now awkwardly this apartment has 4 entrances. Like I'm like, bro, why in God's name do you need 4 entrances, like, bro? But anyways, guys, let's actually just go in and like see the house, because I think I might like actually talking too much actually. Okay, guys, so this is actually the entrance. Sorry for the bad lighting. Like it's almost like in all my videos there's always a bad lighting somewhere. But anyways, now to my left right here is the kitchen and the dining that now links up to the living room, and then to my right is like a clothes space, like a cupboard where you can like keep your coats, your winter jackets, your shoes and everything. So so right now it's actually closed right now, but to the left is the kitchen. And just let me give you guys like a quick glimpse of the kitchen. Are you guys actually ready? Anyway, so this is the kitchen actually. So this is the kitchen, the fridge, your basin. Now to the left here is your gas cooker, and then this is the dining somewhat, and then this is the living room. Yeah. So actually the guy that stays here is my friend. He gyms a lot. Yeah, like okay, not like a lot though, but like he goes to the gym. He tries to keep fit, but me, I'm definitely not trying to keep fit for some odd reasons. But I think I need to like hit the gym soon. I think I need to. So we are in the living room right now, and then to my left here there's like a balcony. Like I just hope this is not like too bright for you guys, but this is the balcony. Now that balcony like gives you a view down to the street, down to the road. That was where I said like cars actually do pass. It's like a busy road, but like it's actually chill. Now there are two rooms, and I think we're actually going to room. But before that, let me just give you guys like a headshot of the whole living room. So see it. Anyway, so that's how big the living room is. To me, like the apartment is not like that big, and it's not small. Like it's actually good for like 2 people. Now the 2 bedrooms actually to the right here, and then there's a washroom here. Now these are the 2 bedrooms. So there is one here, and then this is the second one at my back. We might be able to like enter that one because that one's actually clean. Like my friend actually likes to be clean. But now to the left we have this washroom. So this is the washroom right here, and actually clean though. Now this is the first room, and this is the second room. So that's actually the room we're actually going to be looking at right now. But why am I dark? Like please, why do I look dark? Oh, I just remembered. Lightning. There's no like the lights here are not that like enough, but it's fine. Now let's actually go into the room. It's actually clean, guys. So this is like the room size. This room is not that big. So he's actually paying less. Yeah, enough of the room. Now let's go back out. It's fairly okay, not big. Now the other room is actually the big room, which I really don't know why he decided not to like pick that room. Now let me take you guys to the balcony, because we've seen the kitchen, we've seen the bedroom, we've seen the living room. Now let me take you guys to the balcony to like actually see and just see how nice the balcony looks like. So right here is the balcony, right? Like see the view that I said like you would actually get. So this is the view you get from the balcony, which is actually a nice view, something you can actually wake up to like in the morning. Like it's nice, guys. So like you guys saw that balcony, like that balcony is it's nice. Like that's the view you get to see in the morning. The only thing that might be disturbing you though is the noise of the traffic, noise of the cars that are actually passing by. That may be the only thing that would actually disturb you. Now, as I've said before, these apartment actually goes for between like $800 to like around $1,200. I'm not telling you guys the specific amount. Now, funny enough, right? This apartment comes like all inclusive in the rent, so you don't have to pay anything separate for hydro or electricity or gas. Nothing. It comes all in the rent. To me, it's a good bargain for the price. Like the price is on point. Now you also get a parking lot. Now this parking lot, you don't pay for the parking lot. Like it's a free parking lot, except if you have like an extra car. Then I think it's like $40. Then you pay like extra $40. But the apartment is nice. Like the apartment is clean. I'm glad I was actually able to like show you guys this today. You know, I always bring guys good apartments, good houses. Normally right now on the market you might not be able to like actually find an apartment for like this price. For students this would be nice, for a family this will also be nice, guys. Anyways guys, I actually have to end the video here for today. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Please do not forget to tap the like button, tap the subscribe button, join the channel so that we can be able to see other houses. And if you know anyone in Kitchener Waterloo that wants me to actually like come and video their house, like I'm down to do that. I love houses, you guys know that. Anyways guys, I'm going to be seeing you guys in the next video, and as always guys, stay safe.